up is the Dewalt 20-inch Pro Tool Tote, designed specifically for pros who need their gear accessible and organized on the go. It features a massive 33 pockets along with a dedicated IP54 water-resistant compartment to keep your valuables safe from the elements. The durable construction is built to withstand the toughest job sites, while the padded shoulder strap ensures you can carry heavy loads comfortably without fatigue. It is the perfect grab-and-go solution for HVAC techs and electricians who need total visibility of their gear. With its smart open-top design, you never have to waste time digging around for the right screwdriver. This tote combines rugged durability with intelligent organization to keep your daily workflow efficient. Next, we have the Dewalt 20V Max XR Brushless Rivet Tool, a cordless solution that completely replaces manual hand riveters. This tool is a beast, capable of pulling aluminum, steel, and even stainless steel rivets up to 3/16 of an inch with incredible speed. The brushless motor delivers up to 2,100 pounds of force, ensuring a tight and secure fasten every single time you pull the trigger. It features onboard nose piece storage and a mandrel collector that keeps your workspace clean and free of sharp debris. It is lightweight enough for overhead work, but powerful enough for industrial assembly. If you do a lot of metal fabrication or HVAC ductwork, this tool saves your hands from massive strain. For the plumbers out there, the RIDGID FlexShaft K912 is the most portable and efficient way to clear residential blockages. It is designed to clean pipes from 1¼ to 2 inches wide, offering a wall-to-wall clean that traditional snakes just can't match. What makes this cool is that it is powered by your own cordless drill, giving you full control over the speed and torque during operation. The chain knockers expand inside the pipe to scrape away grease and sludge, yet it is safe enough to use in fragile pipes. The entire system is housed in a compact, lightweight casing that is easy to carry into tight spaces. It's a game changer for clearing sinks and tubs without hauling a heavy drum machine. Metabo is bringing the power with their new 18-volt cordless combination hammer, featuring a brushless motor for maximum drilling speed. This SDS Plus tool is an all-rounder, offering 3 functions: hammer drilling, drilling without impact, and chiseling for demolition work. It features the Metabo Quick System, which allows you to swap between the SDS chuck and a keyless chuck for wood and metal bits instantly. Safety is a priority here with their mechanical safety clutch and kickback stop technology to prevent injury if the bit jams. It is designed to be low dust when paired with their extraction attachments, keeping the job site breathable. This is German engineering at its finest for heavy-duty anchoring and chiseling tasks. Ryobi is making drywall work easier with the 18-volt 1+HP brushless mud mixer, which completely eliminates the need for cords. The optimized gearing provides the torque needed to mix everything from heavy stucco and mortar to lightweight paint without bogging down. It features a variable speed dial and a hardened steel chuck that accepts standard mixing paddles, giving you total versatility. One of the best features is the 3-position auxiliary handle and the bucket clamp that lets you rest the tool on the bucket rim. This saves your arms from fatigue during long mixing sessions and keeps the paddle off the ground. It's an affordable, high-performance addition to any finisher's arsenal. Speaking of Ryobi, check out their 1800-watt power station, a battery-powered inverter that is perfect for camping or emergency power outages. This unit runs on up to 8 18-volt 1+ batteries to deliver clean, quiet power for small appliances, heavy-duty electronics, and lights. It can output 3,000 starting watts and 1,800 running watts, which is enough to power a full-size fridge or a TV for hours. It features 3 120-volt outlets and USB-C ports, allowing you to charge multiple devices simultaneously without a gas generator. The design is compact and silent, making it safe for indoor use when the grid goes down. It's essentially a gas-free generator that utilizes the batteries you already own. Makita is saving your back with the DCU604 18-volt LXT power-assisted wheelbarrow, designed to move heavy loads with zero effort. It runs on 2 18-volt batteries and features a pipe frame carrier that can be customized with a bucket or flatbed rack. The motorized assist can handle inclines up to 12 degrees and carry nearly 300 kilograms, making it ideal for landscaping and construction sites. It has variable speed control and even a reverse gear to help you maneuver out of tight spots easily. The rear wheels can be locked for stability, and it features a manual dump mechanism for quick unloading. This tool turns a 2-man hauling job into a simple, 1-person task. If you already own the Makita split-shaft multi-tool system, You need to see this new water pump attachment. It snaps right onto your existing power head and is perfect for draining trenches, flooded basements, or swimming pools. The lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver, while the high-performance impeller moves a surprising volume of water quickly. It features a standard hose connection, so you can easily attach a discharge hose to direct water away from your work area. Because it runs on the split-shaft motor, you don't need a separate gas engine or electric pump setup. It's a brilliant space-saving accessory that turns your trimmer motor into a utility pump. For pure fastening power, the Makita 40-volt Max XGT impact driver is engineered for industrial applications where standard 18-volt tools struggle. It offers 4 speed settings and specialized assist modes that prevent screw cam out and cross-threading during delicate starts. The XGT technology delivers constant power under load, ensuring the tool doesn't slow down when driving long timber screws or lag bolts. It is incredibly compact for a 40-volt tool, allowing you to fit into tight corners without sacrificing torque. The enhanced anvil stability reduces bit wobble, giving you cleaner, more precise fastening results every time. This is the future of heavy-duty fastening for framers and deck builders. Festool continues to dominate the precision game with the TS60 Plunge cut track saw, now safer and more versatile than ever. It features the unique kickback stop technology that stops the blade in a fraction of a second, protecting both you and your workpiece. This saw offers a deeper cutting depth of 62 millimeters, allowing you to cut through thick solid wood or miters with ease. It can also be coupled with the cross-cutting guide rail for mobile, precise angle cuts that rival a miter saw. The brushless motor is robust and virtually maintenance-free, delivering the smooth, splinter-free cuts Festool is famous for. For cabinet makers and finish carpenters, this is the gold standard. Here is a unique problem solver: the FlexTools 18-volt cordless gutter bracket slot cutter, designed for a very specific renovation task. It is built to mill precise recesses in rafters for gutter brackets, replacing the old hammer and chisel method. The tool allows you to set the milling depth and width accurately, ensuring every bracket sits flush and perfectly aligned. It features excellent dust protection for the motor and electronics, which is crucial when working with old, dusty timber. The cordless freedom means you can move along the roofline safely without dragging extension cords behind you. It turns a tedious, manual carpentry job into a fast, standardized process. Makita has redefined job site air with the 40-volt Max XGT brushless 2-gallon quiet series compressor. As the name suggests, it is incredibly quiet, operating at just 68 decibels, making it perfect for indoor trim work where noise is an issue. It delivers up to 135 psi and is lightweight enough to be carried by hand, thanks to its durable roll cage design. It can drive up to 700 finish nails on a fully charged 40-volt battery, providing all-day performance for finish carpenters. The oil-free pump means zero maintenance, and the cordless design eliminates trip hazards from power cords. It is the ultimate portable air solution for punch lists and cabinetry. For landscaping maintenance, the Makita 18-volt LXT string trimmer offers gas-like performance with zero emissions. It features a telescoping shaft that adjusts to your height and a lightweight design that reduces fatigue during long trimming sessions. The automatic torque drive technology adjusts the RPMs based on the density of the grass, extending battery life and maintaining power. It uses a bump and feed head that is easy to reload, keeping you productive without fighting with the line. With the huge ecosystem of Makita LXT batteries, this trimmer is a no-brainer for homeowners and pros alike. It cuts clean, runs quiet, and starts instantly every time. Moving up to heavy-duty landscaping, the Makita 40-volt XGT 21-inch self-propelled mower is a true commercial-grade machine. It features a steel deck for durability and a high-torque motor that cuts through thick, overgrown grass without stalling. The self-propelled rear-wheel drive makes mowing large areas effortless, with variable speed control to match your walking pace. It has a 3-in-1 design, allows for mulching, bagging, or side discharge, giving you flexibility depending on the lawn conditions. With the XGT battery platform, you get extended run times that can handle large properties on a single charge. It's quiet, powerful, and built to withstand the abuse of daily commercial use. We've all been there. A stripped screw that halts the entire project. But Milwaukee has the fix with their M2 steel screw extractor set. These double-ended bits feature a drill on one side to bore into the damaged screw and a tapered extractor on the other to back it out. They are made from M2 steel for maximum durability and are designed to work with your impact driver in reverse. The set handles common screw sizes from number 4 up to number 14, covering almost any fastener you'll encounter. The optimized flute design provides a better grip on stripped heads, preventing the extractor from slipping. It's a small, inexpensive addition to your kit that will save you massive headaches. Another simple yet brilliant accessory is the Milwaukee Shockwave Impact Duty Magnetic Attachment. This little gadget slides right onto your existing bits and magnetizes the fastener, holding it securely for one-handed driving. It is engineered with a custom steel alloy and heat treatment to withstand high torque without cracking or shattering. The compact design ensures you can still see exactly where you are driving. Unlike bulky screw guides, it prevents dropped screws and wobble, which is a lifesaver when you are working on a ladder or in awkward positions. If you are tired of screws falling off your bit, this is the solution. Milwaukee is saving your grip strength with the M12 brushless pruning shears, designed to make repetitive landscaping cuts effortless. These shears can cut through branches up to 1¼ inches thick, delivering clean cuts that promote plant health. The brushless motor provides the power to snap through hardwoods, while the M12 battery system keeps the tool lightweight and maneuverable. It features an active blade control system that mirrors the movement of the trigger, giving you precise control over every cut. You can make hundreds of cuts on a single charge, dramatically speeding up seasonal pruning jobs. It's a must-have for landscapers looking to reduce hand fatigue. Beat the heat on the job site or the patio with the Ego Power Plus 18-inch misting fan. This unit combines high-velocity airflow with 4 misting nozzles to cool down areas by up to 20 degrees instantly. It offers 2 misting modes, intermittent and continuous, and runs quietly thanks to its minimalist design. Powered by Ego's 56-volt arc lithium batteries, it is completely portable, so you can wheel it wherever you need relief. The telescopic handle and durable wheels make transport easy, whether you are at a sporting event or a construction site. It's the ultimate way to stay cool and safe during those scorching summer workdays. Also from Ego, the Power Plus 26-inch hedge trimmer sets a new standard for power and balance in cordless outdoor equipment. It features the industry's first carbon fiber rail, which makes the tool significantly lighter and more durable than competitors with aluminum rails. The dual-action blades cut cleanly at 3,400 strokes per minute, easily handling branches up to 1.2 inches in diameter. The 5-position rotating handle allows you to trim vertically or horizontally comfortably without twisting your wrists. It delivers the power of a gas trimmer without the noise, fumes, or engine maintenance. For achieving perfectly manicured hedges with less effort, this is the tool to beat. The legend returns with the Passload IM350O Plus framing nailer, the latest evolution of the market-leading gas framing tool. It features improved battery technology and a more ergonomic grip, reducing user fatigue during all-day framing sessions. This nailer drives 34-degree paper strip nails with precision, utilizing gas fuel cells for consistent power regardless of the battery charge. The non-slip grip and optimized balance make it feel like an extension of your arm, which is critical for safety on roof work. It's known for its reliability in all weather conditions, ensuring you aren't stuck with a jammed gun in the cold. It remains the professional choice for first-fix carpentry. Car enthusiasts will love the Ryobi 18-volt 1+10-inch random orbit buffer, perfect for applying wax and polishing vehicles. The random orbit motion mimics a hand buffing action, ensuring a swirl-free finish that protects your car's paint. It features a crescent-shaped handle that allows for multiple grip positions, giving you control on vertical surfaces like doors. The cordless design means you aren't fighting a power cord that could drag across and scratch your freshly polished car. It runs up to an hour and a half on a 4AA battery, giving you plenty of time to detail a full-size truck. It's an easy, effective way to get a showroom shine in your driveway. Dewalt has solved a common problem with the Tough Series 25-foot lighted tape measure. It features a built-in LED light that illuminates the tape blade, making it easy to read measurements in dim attics, basements, or late-day job sites. The housing is ultra-rugged, surviving drops up to 100 feet, and the blade features a durable coating to resist wear and tear. It has a rechargeable battery that charges via USB, so you never have to worry about buying disposable batteries. The wide blade allows for a massive standout, letting you measure alone without the tape collapsing. It's a bright idea that adds major utility to the most used tool in your belt. Finally, keeping the job site clean is easier with the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Compact Vacuum. This powerful vac delivers high performance in a small package, featuring a HEPA filter to trap fine dust and allergens. It comes with versatile attachments, including a powered floor tool, brush tool, and crevice tool for getting into tight spaces. The clear canister lets you see when it's time to empty, and the debris removal is a simple, one-click process. It runs on the M18 system, providing strong suction for everything from drywall dust to wood shavings. It's the perfect companion for remodelers who need to leave a client's home spotless. That's our list of the coolest new tools. Drop a comment with your favorite and be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.